Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very quick October favorites. I cannot believe it's freaking November. Oh my goodness. But I want to do this video because I've been trying a lot of new products that I love, and I want to talk about everything that I kind of was obsessed with in October. So I'm trying to avoid doing like my fall favorites and my October favorites because a couple of them do overlap, I think. But yeah, for the most part, these are all new products. So first thing I'm going to talk about is this Laneige Cream Skin Oil, Milk Oil Cleanser. This product is insane. I've never felt anything like it. I don't know if you guys can see inside the bottle. It's literally, it like feels like a milk. Like it's like a little bit thicker viscosity than water. But it's oily and it breaks down makeup. It rinses completely clean. It is non-fragrant. I don't know. I've never tried anything like this. I am addicted. I love that it's in a pump. I prefer oil cleansers that do come in a pump. Okay, next product is actually this really basic Eucerin Daily Protection SPF 30. This is not going to be good for medium to deep skin tones because it does leave a slight white cast. But if you are white as fuck like me, I'm very pale, then this could be a good option for you because first of all, it's $11. And yes, it doesn't include ceramides. I don't think it includes, let's see what's in here real quick, ingredient wise. Yeah, it doesn't have ceramides. It doesn't have niacinamide, so it doesn't have those fancy ingredients that that CeraVe has that you're gonna pay a premium for. But this was $11 at the drugstore, and it was like either 18 for the CeraVe or 11 for this moisturizer, both SPF 30. So I'm like, you know what, let me try this Eucerin one. CeraVe is like so hypey right now and popular that I'm like, let me just try this like other one that may not be like as popular, or, you know, it doesn't have the bells and the whistles. But honestly, I freaking love it. It does leave a little bit of a white cast, but when you're pale, that actually makes your skin look brighter and a little bit glowy, which I like. You can layer this throughout the day without it getting super like without it pilling or getting weird. And it's moisturizing. It makes you look really dewy and glowy, and it's so inexpensive. And this is the type of moisturizer I use on days where, actually I used it today, I think. No, I used the Cocoa Kind one today. On days where I'm not doing anything and I just wake up and put moisturizer right on my skin without cleansing, without anything, those basic ass days, you just need an SPF like this. A lot of times I wake up first thing in the morning and I want to get to work. I don't want to go to the gym. I don't want to do anything else. I just want to get straight to work, but I want to put sunscreen on because I'm not going to shower until maybe noon, etc. You know, or maybe I'm just not doing anything into showering later in the day. These are the days where I love wearing this because it does make your skin look nice and dewy, but it's, you know, just moisturizer and SPF. I can't say enough good things about that shit, actually. I love it. Okay, this is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know I'm obsessed with this. I don't know why. First of all, it has alpha-arbutin, which is really brightening. It has licorice, which is really brightening. Niacinamide, which is great for brightening and good for the pores. It has vitamin C. It's just so good. I love this in a glass package. I use my reusable cotton pads and I just like soak the shit out of it, and then I do my whole face and neck and chest, and I've noticed a visible difference in the lightening of the sunspots on my neck and chest. I don't really have any sunspots, knock on wood, on my face, but on my neck and chest I do because I am part Irish. And bitch, I just get sunspots, okay? Like in this area, this is why I'm so conscious of this area when I'm driving and stuff, because I wasn't for years, you know, growing up, and when I used to tan and stuff like that. Like this area just gets hit hard. So anyways, this helps to lighten everything, and it's really gentle. So on those days when I don't want to use an acid toner, I use this, and I'm obsessed. Next is another Good Molecules product. This is the Daily Brightening Serum, bitch. This is so good. You know why? Because use this in place of your hyaluronic acid or your peptides. Like use this in place of that because it's like that light, watery, hydrating type of formula, but it also has alpha arbutin, which is so brightening. So this is so different. It's very innovative. I love using this right on wet skin. You know how I do with my hyaluronic acid. Use this right on wet skin. And it's so gentle, so brightening, so hydrating, and I love it. And it's like $6 or something. I don't know. It's ridiculous. I'm going quick because I've got to go to work in a minute. Okay, next product is this Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Another one that's $6, and this is really good. This is actually more of a watery viscosity than some hyaluronic acids, but I like that. Their packaging is money, by the way. So yeah, I don't know. It's hyaluronic acid is a hyaluronic acid to me. This is why I'm offended by Barbara Sturm charging $300 for a hyaluronic acid, because that is so, I just view it as unethical because it's so unnecessary. Like there's so many good hyaluronic acids out there for so cheap, and this is one of them. And yeah, you can get this one. The L'Oreal one even is like $20. Why not get something like this that's $6? So yeah, I love it. It's bomb. Okay, next product. If you guys watch me, you already know this has been my shit. This is what I like about this is it's so watery. It's like a water bubble, which I told you guys. It's like a water bubble. And when you put it on your skin, you literally feel it taking all the dirt and gunk off. But like you feel your skin just getting clean, but it's not getting damaged. It's not getting hurt at all. And it's brightening, it's hydrating. I just look forward to using this every single day. So this has been like my go-to, and I have to mention it. Next product is this Naturium azaleic acid 10%. So I have been loving this product, despite the fact that it's not real azaleic acid in here. And despite the fact that Naturium is like a weird brand, has like a weird aura to it because of mixed makeup situation, I still really like this product. I actually enjoy the packaging of this. It makes it feel like a little bit high-end. I like that all her products are kind of inexpensive. And this particular product has niacinamide, vitamin C, and it's brightening. Like I do notice an instant brightening effect that I get from this, and I just look forward to using it because I feel like it's like a good combo of like it's for sensitive skin. It doesn't irritate my skin, but it's also like exfoliating the skin in the right way, anti-aging, healing with the niacinamide, brightening, and antioxidant with the vitamin C. I think it's like a good combination of ingredients, and I've been really enjoying it this month. Next product is this Biologique Recherche Lotion P50 1970 version. Bitch, I've been using the regular Lotion P50 for a couple of years now, and I'm like, this is mediocre. I never want to go use it because it's so tingly on my skin and so harsh on my skin that I'm like, it's just too much. But for some reason, this one doesn't do that to my skin. It doesn't make it... It doesn't irritate it, I guess. Like it's not like it does tingle, but it's not like the regular P50 where I felt like it was like, holy shit, it's tingling so much, like to the point where you don't want it to tingle that much. This is like a little bit different. I think it's because one of the main ingredients is niacinamide, even though I know niacinamide's in the other one too. And this another ingredient in here is glycerin. So it's like really like restorative at the same time as it is exfoliating. I don't know what it is about this one. I just enjoy it. I love Biologique Recherche. I love that they don't sugarcoat shit. They're like, here's our ingredients. Our formulas smell like shit, and we don't care. We're not going to cover it up. Fragrance is frivolous, which that's the same philosophy I have. Fragrance is frivolous. So I love that. I love their brand and I love their formulas, but this particular product has been rocking my world. Okay, next product, which you guys probably already know, is this vanicream Daily Facial Moisturizer. It's brand new and I'm addicted. I'm totally addicted. It's so light and watery. Let me show you. It's really light and watery. So I can use this day or night. I can recommend this to my clients who have oily skin or dry skin. It doesn't matter. It's good for literally any skin type. Has no irritation whatsoever. Obviously no fragrance. It has hyaluronic acid, squalane, and ceramides. Like, drop the fucking mic. If this had peptides, it'd be like, okay, you're too perfect. We can't we can't deal with you. You're too perfect. But I just love everything about it. I think it's sold out right now, but I'm so obsessed with this product. Is this last but not least? Yeah, last but not least, this is the, which I talked about this before, but I have to talk about again. I have had severely dry skin because I've been using a lot of exfoliating acids. I've been doing different things. I did the derma roller this month and whatever. So my skin's been peeling and dry, and I swear on my life, this is the only thing that saved my skin. This CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. It's just so good. Like my skin, I was trying different moisturizers. I was trying to do the most, like layering with oils, doing this, and my skin was still flaky. I was using the Egyptian magic. My skin was still flaky, and what do you know, lo and behold, I'm like, let me just go to my CeraVe. I use this for one night and my skin's completely repaired, completely rehydrated. Something about this cream is like, especially for the winter time, it's so bomb, and I highly recommend it for like, I think it's $13 or $20, whatever it is. It's significantly changed my skin. And I have other products that I just got that I wanted to talk about, but I'm like, let me save that for next month because I just got them and I want to use them for a little bit. But that is it. That is your quick October favorites. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.